Hello friends, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. It's Sumakant Patra, PhD scholar, Department of Physics, IIT Bombay. Today I am going to discuss a very important and a very new question from quantum mechanics section. Okay, this is a very new question. So one should know the possible solution to the question. So directly move to the question section and discuss the respective solution to the question. So friends, this is the question. The question is like that: if you changes the potential Vx is equal to s square, that is Vx is equal to 1 by 2 k s square in one dimensional quantum harmonic oscillator, is replaced by the potential in the form Vx is equal to x to the power 1000. Okay, then how can we expect the change in energy eigenfunction and energy eigenvalue for the replaced potential? Okay, that is, we are changing potential from Vx is equal to s square to the potential Vx is equal to x to the power 1000. Then how we can change predict the change in energy eigenvalue and energy eigenfunction? Okay, so in order to solve this question, one should know the possible eigenvalue and eigenfunction for the potential Vx is equal to s square. As you know, for the potential Vx is equal to s square, the variation of the potential with position is parabolic in nature. This is the variation of potential with position. So the corresponding energy eigenvalue, as you know, En equal to n plus 1 by 2 h to omega. Okay, this is the energy eigenvalue, and the corresponding energy eigenfunction is like that: psi equal to 1 by 2 to the power n factorial root pi e to the power minus alpha square s square by 2 into hnx. Okay, where hnx is the Hermite polynomial. So the corresponding energy eigenfunction for ground state is like that. Okay, this is Gaussian in nature. So this is the energy eigenfunction in the energy eigenvalue for the potential for Vx is equal to s square. If we move to the higher power of x, then how this potential varies with position? This is the most important question one should think about it. So let's see how the variation of potential with position occur if we are moving for the higher power of x. So I am here taking the Vx is equal to x to the power 4. So observe the variation of potential with position. What happens if we moving for higher power? This parabola is getting closer to the Vx axis and this base position get flattened. Okay, so if we are moving for higher power of x, the parabola get closer to the Vx axis and the base position becoming flattened. Okay, so move to the higher power of x and let's see what is going on. Okay, so for these are the basic graph for the potential Vx is equal to x to the power 8. So if you are moving for x to the power 8, this closeness is becoming more and more, and this flatness is also going on increases. For x to the power 100, let's see, the variation is totally transferred to a box like structure. This position is getting more flattened and this structure is changes for parabola to the box. That means if we are changing the potential, that is the power of x, from x to the power 2, x to the power 4, x to the power 8 and x to the power 100, the variation of potential with position changes drastically. Okay, so for given potential Vx is equal to x to the power 1000, what happens? This is the variation of potential with position for Vx is equal to x to the power 1000. So for Vx is equal to x to the power 1000, so what happens? This potential variation become like a box. This is seems like a one-dimensional infinite box. So we are moving from parabola to the one-dimensional potential box by changing the power of x. So this system is totally changes from one-dimensional quantum harmonic oscillator to one-dimensional particle in an infinite box. So the quantum mechanical system is changes from one-dimensional harmonic oscillator to one-dimensional infinite potential well. So now we are changing from one-dimensional quantum harmonic oscillator to a one-dimensional infinite potential well. Okay. So what will happen? Now the energy eigenvalue and energy eigenfunction will be changes. So as you know, for the one-dimensional particle in a box, the energy eigenvalue is equal to n square h square pi square by 2ml square, and energy eigenfunction psi n equal to 2 by L root over sin n pi x by L. So this is one of the interesting question you can say. by changing the power of x, that is x to the power 2 to x to the power 1000, if you are moving from x to the power 2 to x to the power 1000, then a quantum mechanical system changes from one dimensional quantum harmonic oscillator to a one dimensional particle in a infinite box. So energy eigenvalue and energy eigenfunction will be changes. So its ground state energy eigenfunction will be sinusoidal will be nature, and in one dimensional harmonic oscillator it was a Gaussian wave, so its energy eigenvalue and energy eigenfunction changes. Okay, so this is the basic and important new question from quantum mechanics. I found it, so that I think I have to share it with all of you, so that I make a video. I think you enjoy the problem. If you like the video, got some information from my video, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe as much as possible. Your support is my backbone, so keep supporting. Stay tuned. Okay, thank you so much.